Hi everyone, welcome to the NeetPrep YouTube channel. I'm Disha Agarwal, a third year MBBS student at Maulana Azad Medical College, New Delhi. I secured All India rank 499 in NEET 2020 with a score of 683 out of 720. I'm here to discuss 3 very common mistakes made by NEET aspirants while studying chemistry. So personally, the only subject in which I scored full marks was chemistry. And I think it is a pretty easy subject. After all, you have to rote learn inorganic and organic mostly. And if you understand the concepts behind physical chemistry, it becomes extremely easy to solve questions. So let's get started. The first mistake made by NEET aspirants is not practicing enough physical chemistry questions and rote learning formulas. Physical chemistry is pretty diverse, a huge variety of questions can be asked, and it is very important that you practice every single variety that you come across and understand how you are solving those questions. Simply rote learning formulas will not help because there are lots of exceptions and in different cases you have to use different formulas. So it's best if you practice enough varieties of questions and understand the concepts instead of rote learning. The second mistake made by NEET aspirants is ignoring tables and exceptions given in the NCERT. So for inorganic, before every group, there is a table which discusses properties like melting point, boiling point, ionization enthalpy, etc. etc. It is very important that you understand the orders and you make a note of them so you can go back and revise them frequently, because asking questions like order of boiling points, order of melting points is pretty common, and sometimes they are not exactly what you would expect. So those exceptions are also given in the NCERT. So I would suggest that you go back, you look at those tables and you extract the different orders and keep revising them. The third mistake made by NEET aspirants is skipping the so-called less important chapters like biomolecules, polymers, and chemistry in everyday life. In NEET, questions can be asked from anywhere, and these chapters make a very significant chunk of the papers that we have started seeing nowadays. If you make notes of these chapters and if you just keep revising and keep memorizing, it will become a lot easier, because these chapters can save a lot of marks when you sit for the final exam. I understand that there's a lot of memorization that you have to do for these, but it becomes a lot easier if you revise frequently and if you make notes. I hope this video was useful. Please make sure that you do not make any of these mistakes when you are studying chemistry, and I assure you that your scores will improve significantly. Thank you.